The IONIQ 6 will need to offer at least 300 miles of driving range to compete with the Model 3, and that appears to be well within reach. We think the IONIQ 6 a larger, optional 77.4 kWh battery pack could even reach close to 400 miles, although an official EPA rating hasn't been released yet. The base battery on the single-motor car has a smaller 55.0 kWh capacity. Once we get our hands on an IONIQ 6, we'll run it through our 75 mph real-world highway range test. Because the IONIQ 6 shares a platform with the IONIQ 5, its powertrain mirrors that model's offerings. That means base models will be powered by a single electric motor powering the rear wheels, with the more expensive dual-motor versions providing all-wheel drive thanks to front and rear electric motors. Hyundai hasn't yet released horsepower for the base single-motor configuration, but it's likely to have around the same 168 horsepower as the IONIQ 5. The dual-motor car has 321 horsepower. Hyundai has emphasized lounge-like comfort in its IONIQ models so far, and the 6 does not appear to be an exception. Initial photos of the cabin show a similarly modern and minimalist aesthetic as the IONIQ 5. Hyundai says that it has a flat floor to aid the feeling of spaciousness inside, and there's ambient lighting to provide some color. As a conventional 4-door sedan, it'll be a 5-seater with a rear bench seat. The cargo area inside the trunk may not rival that of a hatchback or crossover, but the rear seats will likely fold to expand the space back there.